The COVID-19 pandemic is surging, with record new cases in Florida and hospitals in Texas working doggedly to save lives amid a dramatic influx of severely ill patients. Both of those states share something else in common, a corresponding spike in the number of people without health insurance. On Tuesday, a new study by the healthcare advocacy group Families USA said a record 5.4 million Americans lost their employer-provided medical insurance between February and May as unemployment exploded due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Texas and Florida are among 13 states that have rejected a Medicaid expansion for their residents under the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare. That has impacted people losing their jobs. In the 37 states that had expanded Medicaid, 23% of unemployed workers became uninsured. But in the states that didn't expand Medicaid, the percentage of displaced workers losing employer-provided coverage was 43%. As of Tuesday, Texas had more than 260,000 coronavirus cases and 3,200 fatalities. According to Families USA, 1 out of 3 Texans, 4.9 million people, have no current health insurance. That number increased by 700,000 between February and May. In this video accompanying its study, Families USA said people lacking insurance are far less likely to seek medical care for symptoms that may be early signs of the coronavirus. The group advocates for universal coverage.
Comprehensive health insurance is essential to protecting all of us from the pandemic. People coming down with COVID-19 often do not know their diagnosis. 14% of adults say that they would be deterred by cost from seeking care if they have a fever or a bad cough. Those are the early symptoms of COVID.
Florida, which Sunday set a U.S. record for single-day infections, has had more than 291,000 total cases and 4,500 deaths, a worrisome trend for emergency medical physicians.
It has been record-breaking numbers on a day-to-day basis. We actually had the highest number of cases, almost 15,300 cases in just a single day. These are obviously pretty alarming for the healthcare community as we're starting to see pressures on our systems.
Another source of pressure comes from this. Families USA says 1 in 4 Floridians are now without any health insurance. For Newsy, I'm Peter Hecht.